So let's talk about the contact details section. So we'll go to the tab up here, contact details. And this is kind of the primary information about your listing. We have two different types of listings. You have a company type listing or a personal individual type listing. The difference really is if you were just an individual practitioner working under your name, then you would want to set it to a personal individual level. But if you're working behind a company name and you have a logo and that sort of thing, you'd probably want to list it as a company. That allows you to have a company logo as well as a personal photo, so which you'll see in the profile photo section. So once you've decided that, then you'll have your first name, last name, the company title or company name, your position at the company. And then this section here, the top category, is pretty important. We have two categories, main top categories, the holistic health experts and specialists, and then professional resources. Professional resources are more of businesses who provide supplies or services to the health experts and practitioners. So, in the majority of cases, most of our members are health practitioners. And so, you want to make sure you select this because this affects which subcategories are available to you. So, if you're, which you'll see in the listing details section. So, if you get to the listing details section and you don't see the categories that make sense to you, it's probably because your top category is not set appropriately. So then phone number, contact, email address, a short description about your listing, about your business, then your address, and these are optional, of course. Anything with a star is required. Anything without is optional. And then you can have different links to different social media websites and that sort of thing. Make sure that you save at the bottom when you're finished so that it updates your account. And that's it for this section.